My license is in my bag.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Everyone, just be advised you got heavy traffic about a mile and a half.
Copy, approaching the 4th Street off-ramp.
In Jurupa Valley, California, deputies with the Riverside County Sheriff's Department, working in coordination with surrounding agencies and their department helicopter, launched a countywide manhunt for a suspect who had just ambushed one of their own. Deputies with the Riverside County Sheriff's Department attempted a routine traffic stop. The deputy making that stop was 32-year-old Isaiah Cordero. What happened next escalated instantly.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Here are tags for your car.
They're in the... Probably at the house.
Huh?
They're probably at the house.
Probably?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And here's your driver's license and the registration.
My license is in my...
I'm sorry?
My license is in my bag.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Sorry, everything's just such a mess in here.
I can see.
Sorry about that, boss.
As the deputy approached the vehicle, the driver, William Shea McKay, 44 years old, opened fire. Deputy Cordero was struck and killed at the scene. McKay fled.
Hey. Isaiah, can you hear us, brother?
Can you hear me?
Isaiah, can you hear us?
Can you hear us? Hey, listen to me. Can you hear me? No.
We heard the shot and I was working right there in my house in a black truck with a blue top.
You guys don't have your camera?
Drove up that way. Okay, they have a camera. He has a camera.
They might have a camera too, look.
They have a camera.
A manhunt was launched, and the department's helicopter, along with specialized units, joined the pursuit.
They're coming up on the 4th Street off-ramp.
Just under Cantu Galeano coming towards the line tonight, all the way in the carpool lane.
I've got about 7 or 8 with me, and that's plenty right now. And then you guys just support us by running interference behind us.
Hey, just give me a little bit of space. I don't want to go on his driver's side because he already shot at the cops. I don't want him to put a pistol out the window. All right.
Just under Cantu Galeano coming towards the line tonight, all the way in the carpool lane.
Careful bunching up, fellas. Careful bunching up. It's TCs. We don't want a TC.
Copy, passenger, taxi, approach 11-8.
In the middle of the pursuit, a specialized unit attempted a pit maneuver, but the suspect was able to evade the contact and continued fleeing.
Okay, well, let's jump off here. Get you guys back into the city. We'll build.
After a wild pursuit, deputies were finally able to gain control of the suspect's vehicle.
I need you with your dog. Here, over here. Off. Right here. Off. I need someone to replace me. Follow. Flat. Flat. Off. Blijven. Follow. Off. Flat. Hey, I need one rifle replacement wire. Follow. Off. I got it, No. Yeah, you with us. We're good. Mac. Off. Am I deploying the dog, or are you guys manual, or what? I'm good. Let's get over there. Okay. Follow. Off. Watch out. Excuse me. Off. Back up.
I've got good off on him. All hazard. He is definitely injured. No movement. He's got clear breathing. Just now need to go up and make a call.
Follow. Clutch. Off. Here. Off. Clutch.
Medical attention when you put your hands out the window with nothing in your hand. Again, Riverside County Sheriff's Department. You need to put your hands out the window when you're bringing medical aid. Can you hear me?
Got a bag. Got a bag rest.
Clutch. Off. Focus. Still. Follow. Still. Clutch. Focus. Still. Focus. Off.
Officials later confirmed the suspect was pronounced dead following the officer-involved shooting. Investigation closed. If you enjoy real police pursuit breakdowns and body cam incidents, make sure to subscribe to Infrared Patrol and stay tuned for more detailed incident coverage.